Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Smith & haul. Yes, so I'm back with one of your most favorite and requested videos on my channel. So this is a Smith & haul. So first let's tell you about Smith & So because many of you asked in the comments what is Smith & please give it a link, I want to buy this. So Smith & is an online shopping app, but they also have option to try the product. So they have a trial section in that all the products are available for trials, so you can add any product of your choice. So you get 6 trial points when you sign up using my code that I have given in the description box. So that then you get 6 trial points, and from that trial points you can shop from the trial section. So whatever you want to add, you can add in. You have many good brands in there. So you have Mama Earth, you have Plum, you have all the Indian brands, then you have international brands as well. You have perfume, hair care, body care, skin care, makeup, accessories, headphones, then what not, everything you have in there. So 199 shipping you have to pay, and then you'll get the products. So I order these trial points every now and then. I have a lot of Smith & hauls on my channel. You can check them out if you want. I have a full dedicated review video about Smith & also. That also you can check. So from a few months the offer is going on that on one trial order you get one pouch free. So every time I have got one pouch. Since last my 5 orders I have 5 pouches already. This time also for a free pouch I ordered the entire trials. So this is the pouch that I got. Let's start with this. So this time I got a black one, and it is a pretty big size. You can see more than my hand, and it has a very good quality zipper as well. So you can use these pouches as a makeup pouch or a utility pouch or a travel essential pouch. So this is the one I got for free, and it has Smith & written here. So this is our free product technically, but this is what we get with the trials. So now let's start with the trials actually. So this time I did not go for skincare, hair care, because I had a lot of them already in my cupboard. So I thought of trying out something else. So I saw these things. So this is the one. This is a bamboo toothbrush. So this is how it looks. This is how it came in the packaging. So this is 100% vegan, and it's from brand 3. Bamboo toothbrush, 100% biodegradable. So these are all the claims that it says over here. So it's a very good step I feel towards the environment. It has a bristles right here, and this is how it looks. It's very lightweight, and you can use it for traveling as well. So this is one product that was available for 2 points. Then the next thing I have something to eat. So I tried these protein oats upma from Calway's Veg Rich brand. So this is how it looks. It was 65 grams and it was for one trial point, and all the details are mentioned right here, so you can check. It's FSSAI approved, so it's a very great brand. So this is how it looks. I'm looking forward to try this as soon as I upload this video. So the next thing I have is this small bikini razor. So yeah, that's what it's called. It's a very tiny one, and it's from the brand Let's Shave. So Let's Shave is a good renowned company. So this is how it looks. It's great for traveling. It comes with a cap, and it's in pretty pink color. So that's 1 point. And then we have this face razor. So this is the one. I use the Tinkle ones, and I have I never showed it to anybody, but those are pretty worn out now. So I want to try out a new one. So this is again from Let's Shave brand, and the grip, you get a good grip right here, and the quality is also very nice. As you can see, it has very nice blade. So this is basically for shaving your face, the extra hairs that you get right here. So that's that. So yeah, that's all for my trial points. So this time I did not opt for any skincare, hair care stuff, because I have a lot of them. But if you're interested, you will get a lot of them on Smith & These also you would get, like this individual razor in market, if you take it, would be around 100 or 50 rupees at least. But for trial points, one trial point is 30 rupees. If you see, in 30 rupees you get this. Then in 30 rupees you are getting a bikini razor that of also is good quality. Then you are getting to try these things which you never usually go and buy and try. and then you are getting a bamboo toothbrush, so that too of such a great quality. So I thought that these trials were a must, so that's why I purchased it. So yeah, I'll link the details in the description, you check it out. This is the last trial size point that was available, VLCC moisturizer. I'm really sorry I forgot to include this in the video. So this is the one, it's a 20-gram product and it's a skin defense moisturizer for normal to dry skin. It's a very great moisturizer. So this was my last trial point. See you in my next video. Bye.